Yes, are you able to see? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's discuss what is very important for the examination now. We have been discussing about these MCQs, but I just thought first we'll start with this. What is very important, see, 40 marks examination is going to be there, and 10 marks speaking and listening skills. Okay. So in 40 marks, yes, I think I'll just turn on my camera also. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Just a minute. Okay. Right. Yes. See here, in the case of yes, in the case of reading comprehension, you have two passages. One is factual, descriptive, and another one case-based. That will also be factual or literary, discursive, or persuasive. Now, discursive is not a particular topic, digressing from topic to topic. That is discursive or persuasive, trying to convince you. So, persuasive. So, these kind of passages, like unseen passage, and another one is case-based passage will be there. So, they may give you, graph. They may give you data, statistical data. On the basis of that, you have to answer the questions. So it is going to be a 14 marks. So it's a very, very important there because 14 marks, nearly one third, more than one third. Yes, it is going to be yes on the reading comprehension. Next, it's a creative writing skills. That's 8 marks. Marks on short writing skill tasks and 5 marks on long writing tasks. So notice writing and classified advertisement. These are for 3 marks, and letter to an editor and article writing, that is for 5 marks. Okay, literature section, it is for 18 marks. 11 marks for Flamingo and 7 marks for Vistas. Totally 18 marks. So I think it's quite clear to you. So what is yes? 14 marks for reading comprehension, and yes, 8 marks for writing tasks, and yes, 18 marks for literature section. Okay, so poetry as well as prose in Flamingo, that is for 11 marks. Okay, we'll move on to the next. Now here we'll take up unseen passages because we'll go according to this. We'll take up unseen passage. I want somebody to read out. See your marks and all as far as reading, I mean speaking skills, listening skills. Yes. So you can just start reading this passage. Yes, who wants to read now? Yes.
Yes, I'll read, sir.
Read. Okay. Yes.
In small town, there lived a beautiful family of 5 members, including an old man who was the head of the family and his only son, daughter-in-law, and 2 grandchildren. The family had not lot of fun and enjoyed life to the fullest. As a family, they always had dinner together every day. However, as day passed by, the health of the old gradually weakened. His vision become poor. He His hands and legs started trembling. One day, while serving dinner, the old man whose legs and hands shivered and who could not see properly split the food on the table. With his trembling hands, he wasn't able to eat properly. He let the glass of milk fall on the tablecloth. His son and daughter-in-law were completely annoyed as he messed up the dinner. It was repeated for a next time as the old man could not help himself. His son was irritated and his wife said, I can't bear this anyone. He spoils our dinner time. We should
Okay,
do something
Vikas,
about it.
uh, Vikas, just a minute. First of all, let me compliment you for reading very well, because wherever there's a comma, you have been taking a shorter pause, and wherever there's a full stop, you are taking pause there too. So whenever there's a comma, you have to take a shorter pause, and whenever there is a full stop, you have to take a longer pause. Good, and you're also
Yes.
catching the rhythm which is required there in the sentence. But one thing just want to point out: if there is a short form that is given there, then you can pronounce like that. Only one you missed, otherwise everything was fine. Like you said, wasn't, can't, but couldn't. It's a not could not, it's couldn't. Okay.
Yes.
So others, when you are reading it, try to read with rhythm. Try to use whatever Vikas Kumar has been using, proper pauses, proper intonation. Okay. So when I am asking you to read, you have to read like this. That is what is very important. This will help you when you are speaking. Okay. If you go on the stage or if you speak on a particular topic, you'll be able to speak very well if you are able to read well. Okay. Carry on. Yes, Vikas, you can carry on.
He, he agreed. Soon they set up a new table and chair in the corner of the hall and made him sit there to eat food. The old man wasn't able to hold the glass or plate and he broke a few pieces of utensils. His son gave the old man a wooden bowl so it wouldn't break. While the rest of the family seemed to enjoy their meals, the old man was in tears as he had to eat his food alone. The old man would often recollect happy memories of family and could barely tolerate his current situation. Days passed and the old man died quietly. After his funeral, they were cleaning the house when his 5-year-old grandson, Vikram, and his elder sister Joya began to search for something. This was noticed by their father, who asked his children, "What are you searching for?" Joya replied, "The wooden bowl in which Grandpa ate food." Curiously, he asked, "But why?" To which Joya thoughtfully replied, "We want to preserve it in memory, Grandpa." The children found the bowl and keep it in a safe place. Then Vikram asked his father, "Did can you buy one more bowl like this?" Surprised by the question, he asked, "Why, son?" To this, Joya prompted replied, "See, we have only bowl. When you and Ma get old, how will we feed you both with one bowl? So we want you to buy another one for Mama." The elder realized their mistake, but it was a bit late in the day.
Okay, good. Now let's go to the questions on this particular passage. Okay, so now all of you just try to attempt these questions. I'll just give you time. See that. Now what we are trying to do is remember here, you may feel that, oh, comprehension passage, it will be very easy. It will not be very easy. There will be many questions that will be thought provoking, that will go beyond the passage also, that will make you to think about that. So reasoning, assertion, all these factors are very, very important. Now it's going to be MCQs, but how the questions are going to be, that we are looking into that. Okay, right now I have given you the passage from the question bank itself. So it may also come in any this kind of passage only will come for the examination. So that's why it's kind of, let's have a practice of that. So what you can do is that you take 1 or 2 minutes and then we'll discuss about the answers. Why this particular answer should be there. That also we'll discuss. Okay. First question will just, or shall I give you 1 minute? I'll just give you 1 minute. Think over that, and then after that we'll discuss about it. Okay. Okay, boys. Shall I ask? Shall we discuss the first question?
Yes,
Which
sir.
of the yes, which of the following statements? What is meaning of annotate? Yes, somebody annotation. You can highlight that annotating. Yes, right. Some. Now let's go to this now. Uh, which of the following statements is true in the context of the story? The old man's daughter-in-law took very good care of him. Okay, can you just tell the which one is the answer here?
This,
Vikram and which one is the answer?
Vikram and Soya loved and respected the elder.
this, sir.
Okay, A is the correct answer. Correct answer is right. D. The old man was eating food in a
Yes.
wooden bowl. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So you just right. The right answer is that. Why? Because it is given there. No, he was served in a bowl. Yes. Right. He was served in a bowl. You would like to read that passage once again? Yes. Shall we go to the passage
Sir.
once again, or because second one you see here, daughter-in-law. How? So which of the following qualities describe the old man's daughter-in-law the best? So I just
Annoying,
have
sir.
given
C.
Un-
answer is
Annoying. C, sir.
C, annoying. Okay, daughter-in-law annoying. But I feel the answer is yes,
Selfish.
B, selfish.
Selfish, sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
she was not concerned about this old man, no? So
Yes, sir. She
daughter-in-law
was
was not
thinking about him.
concerned at all. Okay, maybe now see, when I read this, see how you'll be reading it. You read one question or two questions. Once again, you go back to the passage. Then your understanding of the passage will be better. Okay, now, yes. Okay, what will do is okay. Okay, you can just have a look at this passage because the time that will be given that will be very crucial for you in the examination. Okay, so we can just go. Yes, you can just have a look at this and then we can move on to that. Now here, a town, they lived a beautiful family. So there were five members, including an old man. So he was the head of the family. So this is where you discuss. Uh, in your mind you go on discussing about that. So who is the head? Old man. Then family of five members. If you have a kind of maybe mind graph, if you have that, mind map, if you have that, rather than mind map, let me say mind graph, if you can make that, then probably your understanding will be better there. So the family had not a lot of fun and enjoyed life, and they see had not a lot of fun, but they enjoyed life to the fullest. So as a family, they always dined together. However, what has happened? The health of the old weakened. His vision became so now it's about old man. So at the beginning, you see, old man, what has happened? Legs and hands shivered, couldn't see properly, trembling hands, he wasn't able to eat properly, let the glass. So his son and daughter-in-law, they were annoyed. Okay, they were annoyed as he messed up the dinner. It was repeated for next. So even annoyed is also given there, isn't it? Daughter-in-law, she was completely annoyed. But you have to find out the most appropriate there. So that is why a lot of confusion will be there. So I can't bear this. He spoils our dinner time. Who is his son was irritated and his wife said. So wife is saying, I can't bear this. So see, they were annoyed, but a better word will be no, they were very selfish. That's why they were annoyed. So what is better word? Whether it's annoyed or selfish? That is what is the question that comes up. Okay, you have to think about that. I can't. So what is reflecting there that they were very, very selfish, right? Probably this is the way, though it's MCQ, it's going to be difficult this time. See, if MCQ was not there, then subjective, then it would have been easier for you. But now, since it's MCQ, it's going to be difficult for you. Okay, I hope you understood that. So, shall we move on to the next question now? Why it is so? Yes, they were not concerned at all about this old man. They were hating him. They were, annoyed with him, right? The rest of the family enjoyed the meal. whereas the old man was in tears as he had to eat his food alone. The old man would often recollect happy memories of family, could barely tolerate his current situation. Days passed and the old man died. After his funeral, they were cleaning the house. So Vikram, his sister, Zoya's children, they were trying to search. And this was noticed by their father who asked his children, so, no, what are you searching for? The wooden bowl in which grandpa ate. Why? Zoya thoughtfully replied, we want to preserve it in memory of grandpa. The children found the bowl, kept it in a safe place. Then Vikram asked his father, can you buy one more bowl like this? And he was very surprised. I hope you have got it this now. Yes? Ah, when you and Mama get old, how will we feed you both with one bowl? So we want you to buy another one for Mama. Then the elders realized their mistake. Okay, I hope you understood that. So see here, which of the following qualities describe the old man's daughter-in-law the best in the context? So annoying, fine, but you can say that she was selfish. Selfish would be better one because they were not concerned at all about it. When you read the entire story, you'll feel that that is the right one. I hope you understood this now. Let's move on to the next one. Somebody wants to read out the question, or you just read the silently and then somebody can read out the question and we can discuss about this. Meanwhile, you can just think over that. Okay. Out of third and fourth, which one is easier for you to answer? Out of third and fourth, which one is easier? Very easily you can give answer. Which one?
Third one.
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth one. Okay. Somebody said third one. Third one, what is the answer? Okay.
D,
Fourth one,
sir.
yes. Huh?
D,
D.
sir. Option D.
Third one D.
Third,
Third one, option D.
D,
Okay.
Yes.
And
D, sir.
huh?
D. Option
D.
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 Option. Okay. Fourth one. Fourth
C,
one. Huh? Right.
C, sir.
C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. C, yes. Option 4 is very easy. He wanted it for giving food to his mother when she became old. Very good. Very, I mean, directly. See, some questions will be there where you'll find answers directly. You need not bother at all. But third one is a bit tricky. Not so easy. Third one, it's not so easy. And third one, what is the answer there? Third one?
D.
C.
D. D, sir.
D,
D.
D is the answer, right? Other than those given in the options. Very good. So D is the answer, right? See, he didn't enjoy having food with his family anymore. See, he enjoyed, he wanted to have with his family. He did not want the dinner table to make missing. No, not, yes, not at all. His grandchildren would make a noise which he couldn't bear. Okay, so none of these are right options. So here, other than those given in the options, so D is the right answer. Very good. Okay, we'll move on to the next one now. Fifth one and sixth one. Okay. Now, which of the following is most nearly the opposite in meaning to the word preserve?
Discard.
Right. Yes, I think quite easy. This one. Tell.
Discard.
No, no. Here, most nearly the opposite. Okay. Opposite word. Right. Discard would be the right answer. Yes. Yes. Okay. Discard. Preserve. Okay. We'll go to the next one now. Which of the following correctly explains the phrase late in the day?
Is a tool old to be used.
Which of the following correctly explains late in the day as used in the story? So
The
too
option
late.
is
Option B. Too.
yes.
Option D. Too late to be of any use. Yes. Too late to be of any use. Late in the day. Okay. Seventh one. Which of the following can be an appropriate title for the story? What will be the appropriate title for the story?
Wooden
The
bowl.
wooden box. Yes, sir.
See, the wooden bowl. That will be the right one. Because this wooden bowl, they wanted to preserve, who the children wanted to preserve, and they wanted their
And
papa to buy one more for mama. Right? Okay. We'll go to the eighth one now. Which of the following is the most nearly, yes, the same in meaning to the word recollect? Yes, which is that word for recollect? Can you tell one of the word for that? Yes, recollect. Hmm? I
remember.
think, yes, you're right. Yes, what is the answer? Yes,
Remember, sir.
remember.
Remind, sir.
Not remind. You are reminding, sir. Recollect is not reminding. Recollecting the memories. So remembering the memories. Okay, you are remembering
Remembering.
something. So that is remember. Remember. Recollect. Okay, recollect the thought. Recollecting is what? Whatever has happened in the past, you are trying to recollect that. Recalling that. We say recalling or recollecting, right? So that is remembering. So remember would be the right answer here. Okay, a remember. So, right. We'll go to the next passage now. Passage number 2. Anyway, probably you have got the ideas now. So, how to go about it. Now, I want somebody to read. Who is ready to read now? The second passage.
I
Somebody.
I
Yes, read. Okay. Who is volunteering? I'm not able to
Sharat
see.
Kumar.
Sharad Kumar. Okay. Start. Good.
Mankind's experience of various evolutionary changes from primitive times to the present day has been extensive and varied.
Very good.
However,
Very good. With
man's
rhythm
pro-
you are reading. Very good. Carry on.
however, man's problems were never before as complicated as they seem to be today. Man's economic activity centers primarily around factor of production. Its role, therefore, has been given a lot of importance. It should be useful to have an overall view of economic history of man from the nomadic times to the modern factory system and study its relevance to the various labor problems of day. Initially, man passed through the hunting and fishing stage. During this period, his basic needs were adequately met by nature. Wild animals, birds, and fruits satisfied his hunger, and his thirst was quenched by waters of springs and rivers. Caves gave him shelter, barks of trees were used as clothing. During this stage of man's progress of the absence of an economic, political, and social system, then came the pastoral stage, which was marked by a certain amount of economic activity. The nomadic and migratory nature of man persisted, and together with his goats and cattle, he moved on to fresh pastures and meadows. Some conflicts would sometimes take place among herd owners, for during this period, the institution of nominal private property ownership was not known. This stage paves the way for the agriculture stage, during which the class system began to develop. There was a small artisan class, mostly self employed, and there are also landed properties or zamindars as well as slaves. Thus arose the feudal system. During the fourth stage of these developments, the handicraft stage, a number of social and economic changes took place, which marked the beginning of a liberal problem in the world. The self sufficient economic of the village underwent a drastic change. The community of traders and merchants emerged.
Okay, very good. Now, what I want is somebody can expose anybody who wants to explain the first paragraph now. So here, first paragraph. Let's see how you can interpret. See here, comprehension is very important. Understanding is very important. So anybody who wants to explain that first one. So here, mankind's experience of various evolutionary changes from previous primitive times, from ancient times to the present day. So from ancient time to the modern times. So here mankind, so somebody like this, somebody can explain. The changes have been very revolutionary. So man's experience of these revolutionary changes. So how the civilization has developed over the period of time. This has been extensive and it has been varied. It has been different. Yes, in different fields, man has progressed. Somebody, and there have been so many evolutionary changes that have taken place. So there have been revolutionary changes and there have been evolutionary changes. Anybody who wants to explain? Yes. This will help you for your understanding. Okay. That is the reason why I thought, okay, if somebody can explain that, then you try to analyze the paragraph. Before attempting the questions, try to analyze the paragraph, then definitely you'll be able to give correct answers. Otherwise, if you simply read and just try to understand, then your understanding will not be better. Your comprehensive ability will not be good. So that's why it's a better to become analytical. So man's problems were never before as complicated. Now they are very, very complicated as they seem to be today. So today, man's problems are very complex, complicated. So earlier they were not very complex. They were not very complicated. Yes, anybody wants to explain? Yes. Man's economic
So
activities in yes. Tell.
whole passage revolves around only one thing, sir. Economical activities, sir.
Okay, the whole passage is revolving around economical activities. Very good.
From not,
That is
from nothing to what we are today, sir.
yes. Okay, from earlier times to what we are today. Very
Yes.
good. Yes.
But
Then what
this
else?
this but in turn this has become a problem, sir, in these days, present days.
Okay. It has become a problem because why present day it has become a lot of problem. So in the last paragraph he talks about that. So present day lot of economic activities are there, right? Earlier it was yes. So some countries
Earlier
would take yes.
earlier it was like started with fishing, everything, sir.
Right. Yes.
Slowly turned into human slaves, sir.
All right. All right. Okay.
Humans
So
becoming slaves, sir. So this is can be a reason of problem of
oh,
economical activities.
okay. Okay. Right. Good. Very good. Okay. Let's go to the
And everyone want to be self-sufficient, sir.
right. 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 Okay.
So
So
it's a
self-sufficient
dream,
economy of the village underwent a drastic change. See, it's, every now self-sufficient economy of the village has undergone a change, isn't it? At the end, that is what is given there. Hmm? Okay, fine. Let's see the questions and then we can again try to understand this passage. At the end, somebody can tell about this. See, this is how we improve speaking skills. Okay, this also gives good opportunity for you to use your speaking skills, and those who are participating they will be definitely getting good scores. Yes, in this speaking and yes, listening skills. Okay, let's go to this now. Humanity's evolution from primitive stage to the present has been. So, what is the answer for the
be
first question? Yes,
used and diversified.
huge and diversified. Very good. That is the answer for the first one. So, huge, it has been very huge. Humanity's evolution. Yes, so revolutionary changes have taken place now. Okay, the simulation. We talk about the simulation. Let's go to the second question now. Man's problem were never before as complicated as they seem to be today.
C, sir.
C.
What is the answer? C is the answer. The present times pose much more challenges to humans than the previous times. Yes, absolutely right. The present times pose much more challenges. Okay, very good. So you have been okay. Let's see the third. I just want you to take 1 minute for the question number 3 and 4. Yes. See, labor problems did not exist during the hunting and fishing stage.
B.
B, there were no economic, political, and social system. Very good.
Yes.
And fourth one, so
A.
pastoral stage was marked by a certain amount of economic activity.
Humans started migrating and held God gods.
Okay, very good. A, right. Okay, let's go to fifth one and sixth one now. Which word in the passage means surfaced?
Emerged, sir. B.
B, which one?
B is emerged.
Emerged, right. Emerged, B. And what is quenched? Can you just tell me the meaning of quenched?
Thirst. Quench the
Said,
thirst.
sir.
Quench the thirst. Yes, very good. Quench the thirst. Satisfied the thirst. Why I ask this word? Because it's very important. Okay, for UPSC. Quench once it has been asked. Satisfied the thirst. Okay, let's go to the next one of sixth one. What were the consequences of feudal system? What were the consequences of feudal system?
D, sir. The beginning of labor issues and evolving of traders and merchants.
Sixth one is which one? D. The beginning of the labor issues and evolving of the traders and merchants. Okay. Now you have to arrange in the right order here. Handicraft stage, the hunting and fishing stage, pastoral stage, and the agricultural stage. Answer
B, B, C, D, C.
B, C. First is which one?
D.
The hunting and fishing stage.
B, C, D,
Option D,
A.
sir.
B, C, D, A. So which
B,
is
C, A, D, sir.
yes, which one is option?
Option D, sir.
B, C, A, D. The hunting and fishing stage, first one. Then next one is pastoral stage. Handicraft stage is last one, no? The agriculture stage and handicraft stage, is it? So I think BCDA, C is the right one. Yes? Okay. You can just have the look at the passage and then probably it will be clear to you. Okay, you can just find out which one is the first stage now. Yes, which is the first stage here? Initially, man passed through the hunting and fishing stage. First will be hunting and fishing stage. Next one,
Then
then came what?
pastoral
Pastoral stage.
stage.
Pastoral stage. Then after that,
Agricultural
agricultural
stage.
stage. And last is handicraft stage. So the right option will be not D,
B, C,
but
D,
it will be C. It will be C, correct?
B, C, D.
Okay. B, C, D, A. Oh, that will be the right one. Okay, let's go to the eighth one. Last question that we'll see here. Yes, what is the last question that is here? The passage over all pictures. What is it? The passage over all pictures the labor
D.
issues.
D, the
What is the right
status
one?
of mass.
Man's development, professional and economic.
Yes,
B, sir.
B is the right answer. The stages, the passage overall picture. So what overall gives the labor issues? Is he talking about the labor issues or the stages of man's development professionally and economically, wild animals and birds in nature, nomadic man and modern man? So you feel that B is the right answer? How man
Yes.
has developed professionally and economically? Because
Yes.
the question is about B and A. Question is about B and A because see it is talking about what you see here. See when the basic needs were met by nature in the hunting and fishing stage. So whatever he wanted, like birds and fruits, animals, birds and fruits, satisfied his hunger. His thirst was quenched by the water. So basic needs were fulfilled there in the hunting and fishing stage. Then the pastoral stage in that it was marked by a certain amount of economic activity. It has started all that. Then at that time, what he was doing that nomadic and migratory nature of man persisted, continued and all. He moved on to fresh pastures. So what kind of work he was doing there? Okay, so here you see hunting he was doing, fishing he was doing. Then after that pastoral stage there, he started, he moved on to fresh pastures, meadows. He started looking for that. He became herd owners there. So in the then next third stage, agriculture. What he started doing was agriculture. So actually, it is doing dealing with what? It is dealing with labor. Yes, what kind of work he was doing and handicraft. So again, we are coming down to that particular stage where we are talking about. See here, number of social and economic changes took place, and there what he was doing that handicraft. And usually you'll find the concluding paragraph, which are very very important. There you'll find they will talk about the say either first or second sentence or the last two sentences, which will be very very important for us when you are looking at what when you are looking at the topic on which the writer is writing about. So here he is discussing about labor problem. Okay, he is the beginning of the labor problem. So a number of social and economic changes took place which marked the beginning of the labor problem. So earlier there was no labor issues at all. So there is a confusion about A and B. So what would be the right answer? That is what I'm saying. The self-sufficient economy of the village underwent a drastic change. So earlier, the labor, there were no labor issues at all. But later, the labor issues have come. The question comes here when the labor issues have started. That is what he wants to talk about. It's not the stages of man's development professionally and economically, though it appears right one. Now the labor issues have started today. It as earlier there were no much complications. Earlier there were no much problems. Now it is not the case. That is what, yes, the writer wants to emphasize upon. Right? So what is the right answer here? Whether the E
B.
is right answer or B is right answer? Yes?
B.
B, you still feel that B is the right answer?
B, sir, because it's talking about economic activity also, sir.
He's talking about what? He's talking
Professionalism and
about
economic.
yes, economic activity. Okay, right. Okay.